My dear students, today I am going to discuss maths for classes 9 and 10. It's about congruence of triangles, about those 5 criteria used for proving triangles congruent. Now let us see those criteria one by one. First of all, let us discuss SSS criterion. Now SSS means side, side, side criterion. So side, side, side. Now if 3 sides of one triangle are equal to 3 corresponding sides of another triangle, then the 2 triangles must be congruent. That is a statement. Now let us see the diagram. Now this is a triangle ABC. Alright. Now consider there is another triangle, say PQR. Now I have shown them at odd positions, not identical positions. Alright. Now suppose between these 2 triangles it is given AB equal to 3 centimeter, RQ equal to 3 centimeter, BC equal to 5 centimeter, RP equal to 5 centimeter, AC equal to 6 centimeter, and PQ equal to 6 centimeter. So you see AB equal to RQ, AB equal to RQ, BC equal to RP, BC equal to RP, and AC equal to what? PQ. So these 2 sides are equal, these 2 sides are equal, and these 2 sides are equal. Alright. AB equal to RQ, BC equal to RP, and AC equal to this. Now if these 3 are true, then without doubt we can conclude what? We can conclude this first triangle ABC must be congruent to the second triangle, this one. Now how to name them, that I am not doing now. So I will name them using corresponding vertices, which will come little after. Alright. So if this is true, if 3 sides of this triangle are equal to corresponding 3 sides of the other triangle, then the 2 triangles must be congruent. There is no way out. Alright. Now since the 2 triangles are congruent, their corresponding angles must be equal. Hence, angle A will be equal to one angle of this, angle B will be equal to second angle, and C will be equal to the third angle. Now A will be equal to what? B equal to what? And C equal to what? How will you find out? This is the way. Now A is opposite 5 centimeter. So here which angle is opposite 5 centimeter? Q. So A is equal to Q. A is equal to Q. Angle A equal to angle Q. Now B, angle B is opposite 6. So which angle is opposite 6? This angle. So B equal to R. B equal to R. Alright. Angle C is opposite 3. Which angle is opposite 3? P. So C equal to P. So angle A is equal to corresponding angle Q. Now note the word corresponding. Very important word here. Very meaningful. A is equal to Q, not R or P. B is equal to R, not Q or P. And C is equal to P, not Q or R. So A is corresponding to Q. So A is corresponding to Q. Vertex A is corresponding to vertex Q. Vertex B is corresponding to vertex R. And vertex C is corresponding to vertex P. Alright. Now we can name the 2 congruent triangles. First triangle, if we name ABC, triangle ABC congruent to second triangle will be QRP. QRP. See, this is how you will be asked in exam to name the 2 congruent triangles using corresponding vertices. Note the words using corresponding vertices. Now we have found out A is corresponding to Q, B is corresponding to R, C is corresponding to P. Therefore, first triangle if we name ABC, second triangle must be named QRP. If the first triangle you name CBA, then second triangle must be PRQ. If the first triangle you name BAC, the second triangle must be named how? RQP, like that, using corresponding vertices. Okay, so this is SSS criterion. Okay, now let us see the next one, number 2, SAS criterion. Number 2, SAS criterion. Now SA means side angle side, side angle side. So here the angle is lying between the two sides. It is called included angle. The angle A is included between the two sides. Okay. Now again consider these two triangles. Suppose this is one triangle and this is another triangle. Again I have drawn them at odd positions. Alright. Now suppose this triangle is A, B, C, and this triangle is suppose L, M, N. Okay. Now if suppose this is 3, this is 3, that means BA equal to LN, BA equal to LN. Alright. Then this angle A equal to angle, suppose this one, L, angle L. Alright. And this side AC is suppose equal to LM. So this is if. Alright. If BA equal to 3, suppose they are equal, that A suppose this is 80 degree and suppose this is 80 degree, both are 80 degree, A equal to L, and AC, suppose AC is 6 centimeter, and then LM is 6 centimeter. Okay. Now if you note carefully, you see this angle is lying between the two sides, so this angle is called included angle. Here this angle is lying between the two sides, therefore this is called included angle. In this criterion, A is included angle. Now if this is true, then we can conclude what? Then we can safely conclude this first triangle, this one, must be congruent to the second triangle, this one. Again, how to name, I'll show you little later. Okay. So between these two triangles, what is given? Two sides equal, 3 equal to 3, 6 equal to 6, and the included angle 80 degree are equal. That is given. Now if that is true, then we can safely conclude that two triangles will be congruent. Congruent means equal in all respect, equal in sides, equal in angles, equal in areas. That is the meaning of congruence, equal in all respect. Now since these two triangles are congruent, therefore we can now name the other equal corresponding parts. So here we have got what was given, A equal to L. Now what about B and C? Let us find out. B is equal to which angle of that other triangle, and C is equal to what? Alright. Then here two sides equal given. Let us find out the third side, BC. So BC equal to which side of the other triangle? Okay. Now angle B will be equal to the corresponding angle of this triangle. Now how to find corresponding angle? This is the way. See, B is opposite 6. B is opposite which side? 6. Now which angle is opposite 6 in this triangle? Opposite 6, this angle. So B equal to N. That is how we can find out the corresponding angle. They must be opposite equal things. So B is opposite this side, which is 6. Now N is opposite this side, which is 6. Therefore B equal to N. Then C. Now C is equal to what? Opposite 3. C is opposite this side 3. So which angle is opposite side 3? M. So C is equal to M. C is equal to M. So we have got A equal to L, B equal to N, C equal to M. C equal to M. Now BC. So side BC is opposite and 80 degree. BC is opposite 80 degree. Now which side is opposite 80 degree? MN. So BC equal to MN. This is how you have to find corresponding parts. Opposite equal things. Okay. Now we know this corresponding vertices. So B is corresponding to N. This point B is corresponding to this point N. Corresponding vertices. C is corresponding to M, and vertex A, that was given, corresponding to L. Alright. So B is corresponding to N, A is corresponding to L, and C is corresponding to M. So BNCM, BNCM and AL. Okay. Now we can name the congruent triangles using corresponding vertices. How? If we name this triangle BCA, suppose the first triangle we name BCA instead of ABC. If we name this BCA, we should name the other triangle NML. NML. So BCA, NML. Because now what we are doing? We have named the two triangles using corresponding vertices. That is how sometimes they ask you in the exam. Name the congruent triangles using corresponding vertices. Now, if you want to name this ABC, then you have to name the other triangle L and M. ABC, it will be L and M. If you name the first triangle CAB, then the other triangle will be MLN. CAB, MLN. So, you have to find the corresponding vertices. How to find corresponding vertices? See the corresponding angles from their corresponding vertices. This is corresponding angles, isn't it? Okay, this is the second postulate, SAS. Okay. Now let us see the third postulate. Third postulate is ASA. Third postulate is ASA. ASA. Postulate or criterion. So you can use the word postulate or criterion. The third one is ASA criterion, or you can say ASA postulate. So this is obviously angle side angle. Angle side angle. Now again let us see these two triangles. So this is one triangle, and at odd positions, suppose this is another triangle. Alright. Now between these two triangles, what is given? Suppose this angle is 50 degree. This angle 50 degree, this angle 50 degree. Okay. Then this angle, so this angle suppose 40 degree, this angle 40 degree and this angle 40 degree. Alright. Then this side suppose 6 centimeter and then this side 6 centimeter. Okay. Suppose this triangle is ABC. This triangle is ABC, and suppose this triangle is XYZ. XYZ. Okay. Now between these two triangles, if angle B equal to angle X, angle B 50 degree, angle is 50 degree, and side BC equal to side XZ, alright, and angle C equal to angle Z. If this is true, then without doubt, safely we can conclude what? The first triangle, this one, must be congruent with the second triangle, this one. So we will name it little later using corresponding vertices. So what is given? B equal to X, then angle C equal to angle Z, and then the side BC equal to XZ. Now see, here the side is included between the two angles. So this side is between the two angles. The side is between two angles. S is between 2A. S side is between two angles. Okay. Alright. Now, if this is true, then we have concluded what? The two triangles are congruent. And therefore, now we can name the equal corresponding parts. So here B is known, C is known, but we do not know A. Okay, then BC is known, but AC is not known, and then BC is not known. But we can find out now using corresponding vertices, corresponding sides, corresponding angles. Okay. Now you see, how will you find A is equal to which? A is corresponding to which? Now A is opposite 6. The angle A is opposite 6. Now which angle is opposite 6? Y. Okay, angle A is equal to angle Y. Okay, then AC. Now AC is opposite 50 degree. Now which side is opposite 50 degree? ZY. So AC is equal to ZY. That means YZ. Alright. and then BC. Now BC is already known. So AC is BC, AC and AB. Sorry, this is not BC, but this will be AB, because BC is already known. Okay. Now AB. So AB is equal to what? Now AB is opposite 40 degree. Now which side is opposite 40 degree? XY. So XY. All right. So AB is equal to XY, not BC. Okay. Yeah. So these three are known. If this is true, then we can safely conclude that two triangles are congruent, and therefore we have named the corresponding the other three parts. So angle A must be equal to which angle? A must be equal to the corresponding angle Y. How to find Y? A is opposite 6. Now which angle is opposite 6Y? So this one. Okay. Then side AC is opposite 50 degree. Now which side is opposite 50 degree? ZY. So ZY. Okay. Then side AB is opposite which? 40 degree. Now which side is opposite 40 degree? XY. So XY. All right. Now we have seen the corresponding vertices. So A is corresponding to Y. A is corresponding to Y. A is corresponding to Y. B is corresponding to X. B is corresponding to X. And C is corresponding to Z. So we have known the corresponding vertices. So B is corresponding to X. B is corresponding to X. C is corresponding to Z. C is corresponding to Z. And A is corresponding to Y. A is corresponding to Y. After knowing the corresponding vertices, now you can name the triangles using corresponding vertices. If this triangle we name ABC, first triangle if we name ABC, second triangle we must name YXZ. See, using corresponding vertices. First triangle you name ABC, second triangle must be YXZ. If you name the first triangle CBA, then the second triangle must be named ZXY, like that, you see. So this is how we have named the two triangles using corresponding vertices. All right. So this is the third postulate. Now let us see the fourth postulate. Or first, as I told you, postulate or criterion or postulate. Now fourth one is RHS criterion. Now here R means right angle. Right angle. H means hypotenuse. Or S means side. Okay. Right angle, hypotenuse, side. RHS. Now between two obviously this involves what? Two right angle triangles. Suppose this is right angle triangle ABC. Okay, this angle is right angle, and suppose we have another right angle triangle, suppose this one. Suppose this one PQR. This is right angle. So this criterion involves, or it concerns, two right angle triangles. So between these two, if B equal to P, so right angle B equal to right angle P. So this is given. If B equal to P, and then right angle hypotenuse AC equal to hypotenuse QR. All right. Right angle, hypotenuse, side. Now side suppose AB equal to suppose PQ. So this is given. If right angle B equal to right angle P, 90 degree, then AC equal to hypotenuse AC equal to hypotenuse QR, and one other side AB of this equal to PQ of this. If this is true, then we can safely conclude what? The first triangle must be congruent with the second triangle. This triangle must be congruent to this triangle. So we'll name them later. Okay. Now let us find out first of all the corresponding parts. So these three things are known. Now we have to find the other three things. Which three things? So B is known. Now we'll have to find A equal to what? Then C equal to what? So angle B, angle A, angle C. Then AC is known, AB is known. So what is left? BC. So BC is not known. So we have to find out BC equal to what. All right. Now A of this one, A of this triangle, angle A of this triangle will be equal to what? Now see, A is touching this this side AB. Suppose AB is 3 centimeter, and here PQ is 3 centimeter. All right. Now see, AB is, angle A is at the end of 3 centimeter. Now which angle is at the end of 3 centimeter? Q. So this one. So A must be equal to Q. A must be equal to Q. So you see, this is right angle. Now this angle is at the end of this 3 centimeter. At the end of 3 centimeter line. Now which angle here is at the end of 3 centimeter line? This Q. This is 3 centimeter. This is right angle Q. So A is corresponding to Q. Therefore angle A equal to angle Q. Then C. Now C is what? Opposite angle A. C is opposite angle A. All right. So now which angle is opposite? Which angle is? No, sorry. C is opposite side AB. C is opposite side AB. C is opposite side AB. Now which angle is opposite side AB? Which angle is opposite 3? AB is 3. Which angle is opposite 3? This angle. This angle. So C is equal to R. C is equal to R. So how to find corresponding? Now angle C is opposite 3 centimeter. Now which angle is opposite 3 centimeter? R. So C equal to R. And A is opposite what? A is at the end of this 3 centimeter line. Now which angle is opposite at the end of 3 centimeter line? Q. Okay. So B is corresponding to P, A is corresponding to Q, and C is corresponding to R. Now BC equal to which? Now BC is what? BC is opposite this angle. Opposite this angle A. BC is opposite angle A. Now A is equal to what? Q. Q. Which is opposite Q? PR. So to find corresponding, you always look for equal opposite things. Equal opposite things. Alright. So since this is known, we have concluded that two triangles are congruent. And since the two triangles are congruent, therefore what? The corresponding parts are equal. Now we know the corresponding vertices. A is corresponding to Q. So point A is corresponding to point Q. C is corresponding to R. Vertex C is corresponding to vertex R. And B is corresponding to P. That was given. B is corresponding to P. Okay. Now we can name the first triangle as, suppose we name it ACB. Suppose we name it ACB. ACB. Then second triangle we must name QRP. QRP. If you want to name the first triangle ABC, then the second triangle must be named QPR. ABC. So QPR. If you call it ABC, then it will be QPR. So this is how you have to name the two triangles using corresponding vertices. All right. So this is the fourth postulate. Now there is another. So let us see that one. So that is AAS, angle side. Okay. Fifth one is AAS. AAS, angle side. Okay. Now, so let us see these two triangles. So the triangles have been drawn at not at identical positions, non-identical position. All right. Suppose this one, let me call it this time PQR. This is PQR, and suppose this is XYZ. All right. These are the two triangles. Now angle side. So two angles and one side given. So this angle, suppose this angle is equal to, angle P is equal to, suppose angle Z. P is equal to Z. All right. And suppose two angles, suppose Q is equal to, suppose Y. So Q equal to Y. So I have marked them similarly. So P equal to Z. I have marked them similarly. Then side AAS. So A, S. Now S is not included. S is separate. So this side, QR is suppose equal to this one. This one. So this side is equal to this side. So what is given? What is known? You see, P equal to Z. Angle P equal to angle Z. That is known. That is given. If. Okay, that is given. Then Q. Angle Q equal to angle Y. Alright. So P equal to Z, Q equal to Y. Angle. Then side what? QR. Side QR. QR equal to what? QR equal to YX. So these three things are given. If this, then we can safely conclude what? The two triangles are congruent. We can conclude the triangle first one is congruent with the triangle second one. Okay, the first triangle congruent with the second triangle. So we'll name them later. Now since this is known, therefore we can safely conclude the two triangles are congruent, and therefore we can find now the equal corresponding parts. Now here P is known, Q is known, R is not known. So let us find out R equal to what. Then QR is known. So PQ is not known. So let us find out PQ equal to which side of the other triangle. And then PR. PQ and PR not given. So this PQ equal to what? PR equal to what of the other triangle. Then angle P, angle Q known, but R is not known. We have to find out. Okay. Now this is the way to find out. You see. Now this R is opposite. This R is what? You see, at the end of this line. This R is at the end of this line. At the end of what? Or you can say it is the R is opposite this side, opposite the included side. These two angles are known, P and Q known, and what is the included side? PQ. So this R is opposite this included side PQ. Now here these two angles are known, and this is the included side. And which angle is opposite to this included side? This X. This is one way of thinking. Or you can think another way. This R is at the end of this line. This equal. Now this is equal to this. Now which angle is at the end of this? X. Okay. So R is equal to X. Is it clear? That is how we can find out. Now PQ. Now you see PQ is the included side, and which side is included here between the two given angles? These two are given angles. This is the included side. Now these two are given in angles. This is the included side YZ. So PQ equal to YZ. PQ equal to YZ. All right. Or you can say PQ is opposite R. PQ is opposite R, and R is equal to X. We have found out. So which is opposite X? YZ. Okay. Then PR is opposite this angle. Now this is equal to this, so opposite to this XZ. So XZ. All right. So we have found out what? The corresponding vertices. So P corresponds to Z, Q corresponds to Y, and R corresponds to X. So these are corresponding vertices. Vertex P is corresponding to vertex Z, vertex Q is corresponding to vertex Y, and vertex R is corresponding to vertex X. Okay, PZ, QY, and RX. So after knowing the corresponding vertices, yes, now we can name the two congruent triangles. Suppose the first triangle we want to name PQR. This triangle we want to name PQR. Then the second triangle we must name ZYX. So PQR ZYX. Now if you want to name the second triangle XYZ, then the first triangle will be RQP. Second triangle, suppose you want to name XYZ, then the first triangle must be named RQP. This is the way you see. So this idea of corresponding parts is very important. Now students make mistake in this thing. How to find the corresponding parts equal? How to find the corresponding vertices? How to name the two triangles using corresponding vertices? That is what is found to be difficult by students. We have seen from experience. So I hope this discussion has been useful to you. Okay? Thank you and good night for today.